Hello all, this is Dr. Mayur Mahajan once again in front of you. Today I have a special news for you, and this news is VHHF is organizing a webinar. This is for those who are not aware about HHF webinars and seminars. This will be a small short video about what is in this webinar all about. I will be taking a remedy which is not explored anywhere in such a detailed manner. I'll be showing you a case of leukemia of a child suffering from leukemia at the age of 12 to 13 years, one psoriasis case and one arthritis case, one kidney stone case, all those cases with the same remedy. How one remedy can treat so many diseases. Why? Because one single thread is common to everyone. Let's understand it's with understanding of the remedy, with understanding of the rubrics, how to deal a case, how to extract symptoms from the patient, how to extract mind symptoms from the patient. There are so many people who say there are no mental symptoms in the case. Oh my God, that is a blunder, my dear friends. Person himself is a full faculty of mental symptoms. It's not mental symptoms, it's the attitude, the behavior, the character, which is not to be considered at all. The deranged thing we need to consider, the deranged part of the person, what is deviated from normal. If I am quitting a job because of so many stress in my company, then it is wrong. Who has no stress in a company? Everyone has. But the one who quits the job out of stress, pathological. This is we have to understand and prescribe upon. So I will be taking a case, the patient suffering from leukemia, psoriasis, in spite of taking so many medicines. How homeopathy healed that person, that patient. Very interesting. So I have so many prescribers, subscribers. What video पे क्या लगते हैं? Subscribers, YouTube subscribers. Those who are interested in learning homeopathy, please, you can join the webinar. I'll send you the link at the end of this message. Don't miss it, I tell you. It's not only me who am conducting this session. I'll be taking this webinar along with my friends, my HHFians. You must be knowing three nice men, Yogesh Rajurkar, Alok Kumar and Sri Krishna Dafre, along with three nice men. Sarang Rahalkar is there, Dr. Nikhil Khedekar is there, myself. We have a team where we will be, just a marathon of webinars, marathon of cases, marathon of remedy exploration. It would be real fun. Dil, dosti, homeopathy, everything will be at one roof. So I appeal you all, the ones who are really interested in homeopathy, understanding homeopathy, learning homeopathy, don't miss this webinar. This is just a glimpse of the webinar. As usual, I won't just put the video like this. I'll take a small part of a remedy. The remedy is very interesting. The universal antidote, NUX VOMICA, right? NUX VOMICA. Everybody knows NUX VOMICA, fastidious, perfectionist. Huh? A khadus type, a goofy type of a man. A khadus, never agrees with anyone, always follows his own rules. He feels he is the right. He can fight with the boss. The environment around him is very quiet. He needs quietude, right? No disturbance whatsoever. Who's that? NUX VOMICA. किसने बजा रहे बेल? Silent mode पे रखो सब लोग. NUX VOMICA. And NUX VOMICA father comes at home, okay, doing his night shift. The whole night he cannot sleep a moment. NUX VOMICA. Duty, too much sense of duty. NUX VOMICA. Taking responsibility too seriously. NUX VOMICA. Always frown on the face. NUX VOMICA. If that father performing his job meticulously the whole night without a glimpse of a jhappi or a nap, and then come back home, now he wants sleep. And if he doesn't get that sleep, he will blast off everyone who can just disturb his sleep. don't want to get disturbed at all. When he comes, curfew order लगता है घर पे आजू बाजू में absolute quietity, the pin drop silence. Have you ever imagined a master or a sir or a teacher who doesn't want disturbance, who talks in his lecture or his periods? He just blasts or hits him like anything, always irritated, always wants some vices to make him, energetic. That always it. He wants perfection. है ना? The physical symptom of Naksumika, ineffectual urging for stools. Means if in spite of urging for hours together, he just sits on the commode, but nothing comes out. Why? What is this constipation of Naksumika? The constipation of Nux is here. और अच्छा होना चाहिए, और अच्छा होना चाहिए, और अच्छा होना चाहिए. The stomach and the whole intestine is absolutely empty, but still he feels और थोड़ा होना चाहिए. This is reflected actually on the body, but first the mind constipation of Naksumika. Whenever he presents himself, whatever he does, whatever job, whatever he does it out of absolute perfection. If at all he's a businessman and he's a civil contractor and he's building a bathroom and the tiles are a little bit crooked, he won't take it. Todo. He will break it off again and see to it, again he will rebuild it. That passion, that josh, that high spirited, that positiveness, that perseverance. Naksumika. Why is a very important question. If you understand the why is Naksumika, can you tell me? I'm asking you directly. Video chalu hai, bol. Why Naksumika is so perfect? Why Naksumika wants perfection? Why Naksumika follows rules? Why Naksumika is so much egoistic? Why so much kadus? Why? Very important. If you understand why of this perfectionism, only then you'll come to know what is the exact feel of Naksumika. Why does he fight with the boss in spite of the fact that his growth, his ambition may hamper? The boss will not give him that appraisals in the coming future, but still he fights. We have fight wants to Naksumika, but why? What is the need? Notice that my stomach is coming up. So I asked him, what is the size of your waist? 28.5. Actually, it should be 28, but it's half an inch more. Then what I did, I was just hiding myself. I said, no, mera to, how could you ask medicine to me? So, इतना सा पेट बाहर आया यार तुम्हारा, इतना सा, उसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या है? लोगों का इतना ढेर सारा था फिर भी बोलते चल आन दे. ये बोलते नहीं, no extra food, no this, no extra drink, no extra food, no, all is in the box, all is in the boundaries, all is absolutely. He cannot tolerate injustice, he cannot tolerate mistakes, he cannot tolerate errors also. Error in diet, no, what is this? Acha, it's oily, out, nahi chahiye. No doubt he is very foodie, but when everything is in place, once the tummy comes up, Naksumika will eat only salads. Why? Why so perfection? Why? Very important. Very, very important. Understand? So, so this is how we understand a remedy in its whole extent, the man body and the vital force axis. Very interesting. If you want to understand how we understand a remedy, please don't miss this webinar, because I will be showing you the cases. I will be demonstrating you the cases, and then I'll let you know slowly and steadily how to enter a case, how to interpret a case, how to go about the doses, how to treat the case, how to explore the remedy, how to understand the remedy in and out. So let us don't forget to just watching a remedy and going. That passion is required. If you don't have that passion, you will be just going on watching the videos and be happy. But if you want to grow, if you want to become par excellent in your prescription, you need to you need to work hard, my dear friends. Huh? So, why? Why this Naxomica's table is always full of, the butts of cigarettes, and files here and there. And if at all anybody touches his file, he'll just blast him off. समझ में नहीं आते क्या है, किसको बोल रहे थे हाथ, किसने बोला शानपना कर रहा, कौन नहीं बोला? Naxomica. Why? But why does he behave like this? So khados perfection. Naxomica is in the rubric egotism. Whenever Naxomica is handed over a project or a job or a particular thing to go ahead with this, Naxomica feels it's my responsibility to deliver absolutely fine. But why? Because I tell you, now this is very interesting. There is a rubric. I'll just give a glimpse of. See, Naxomica, studying Naxomica is like you need at least 7 to 8 days to understand them. But I'm just trying to give you a glimpse. I understand why bloody Naxomica is so fastidious. Why? So I'll tell you, we have a rubric. Delusion. People, questions. Delusions, people, questions, and he must answer people, address him with a rubric. Write it down. Delusions, because this video will not be subtitled or anything, because I need to post it right now, because this webinar is on 18th and 19th, and I need to post the video tonight itself. So write it down. Delusion, people, questions, and he must answer. People, address him with. This is the rubric. Now, what do you mean by this? What is asking a question and what is addressing a question is very important. In a homeopathy, you need to understand English literature at the same time. Addressing a question and asking a question. I have a query, sir. Can I ask one question? Absolutely. But I want to, the whole world wants to know. The whole world wants to know. The whole India wants to know. Why? Bloody why did you this? This is addressing. Addressing a question. Addressing a press conference. Addressing means in हिंदी में आप उसको बोल सकते हैं. मराठी में उसको क्या बोलते हैं? एक मिनट मैं पॉज करता हूँ. छोड़ो वो मैं नहीं दे पा रहा हूँ. एड्रेसिंग क्वेश्चन मीन्स मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि आप इंडियन टीम क्यों हारी. Indian team, they are addressing a question. Now the media is addressing a question. Why did you lose in spite of so much star players in your? Why? Why did you lose? This is something This is something addressing. And sir, can I ask one question? Is a query. Asking a question is query, but addressing is जाब मांगने. मराठी में उसको बोलते हैं जाब विचारने. हिंदी में उसको पूछते हैं कि हमको चाहिए क्यों. So Naxomica is embarrassed with this. If I do a mistake in my life, in my work, in my business, and if anybody will ask me, how did you do this? That will be the worst part in my life. I just can't take it, doctor. If I don't even say, no, how could you do this mistake in your job? That I can't listen anytime in my life. That is Naxomica. Hence, fastidious and perfectionist. So I'll tell you one remedy. A case, small case, 1 minute case. A doctor, a MD doctor, was suffering from urticaria. I've shown this case to so many homeopaths. A patient suffering from urticaria, MD, doing his duty 24/7, and not a single moment he sleeps in ICU. Why? If at all, if I sleep and if something goes wrong, what will I answer to the relatives? What answer will I give to my relatives? If at all they will address the questions that how did you go wrong? What was your diagnosis? What was your prescription? And what if I am not able to give them the right answer? Nux vomica. See the passion, see the ardent feeling, ardentness, see the perfection, see the ambition. Everything revolves around one thing, that if anybody asks me something, if I'm not able to give them, him or her, the right answer, how will I face? मैं तो फिर चिल्लू भर पानी में मर जाऊंगा. डेल्यूजन, शी मस्ट डाई. ये बरोबरी के नक्स होगा. साला अगर ये भी नहीं कर सकता हूँ तो साला मेरे को चिल्लू भर पानी में मरना अच्छा है. डेल्यूजन, डाई ही मस्ट. The way he thinks, how wrong way, the way you are not God, man, you are not God. Something may happen, but this man never tries, never gives up. Why? Because if anyone asks him this question, how did it went wrong, he feels, yaar chala tu chillu bar pan mein mar ja, hut. This is Nux vomica. Got it? Hence, after 4 or 5 days, if you do this, what will you desire for? क्वाइटिट्यूड एंड शांति से सोना. 4 रात अगर तू सोया नहीं है तो तेरे को 5वें दिन लगेगा ना सोना. बॉडी विल टेक सम सिम्टम, बॉडी विल टेक सम डिसीज, एंड सी टू इट दैट ही विल रेस्ट फॉर 5-7 minutes, 5-7 days. So instead of taking 5-7 days as a sickness, if at all we would have slept for good 6-7 hours a day, ये होता नहीं था तेरे साथ यार. नक्स vomica. इतना क्यों परेशान करते हैं अपने आप को? इतना क्यों परेशान करता है पूरी दुनिया को यार? जिए और जीने दो यार सबको. ऐसा होना चाहिए, ऐसा लगता है एनवायरनमेंट को. लेकिन उसका एक ही यार, किसी ने अगर मुझे कुछ पूछा तो मैं उनको जवाब क्या दूंगा, और ये क्या दूंगा इसके ऊपर दिस वन सिंगल दैट व्हाट विल आई आंसर टू दोज वेर एवर आई हैव डन अ मिस्टेक और एन एरर or a gross mistake. What will I feel? How will I? Then I must die. चिल्लू भर पानी में मर जा. Delusion, she must die. Nux vomica. So this is how we understand homeopathy. Very interesting way. My dear friends, your messages, your likes, your comments, you share my videos. I just loved your messages, every message, and now there is a bonding between my viewers and me myself. So I would appeal everyone, if you are really that interested in homeopathy, join HHF here, join our webinars. I will send you the link in the description. The link, you just click that link, you will get the link. Don't hesitate to jump in. Believe me, it will be a treasure for you for the lifetime. Okay? So saying so, thank you all and love you all. Now don't forget to register the webinar. Yeah, bye. Thank you.